Welcome to the Tech Mechanic. Before we begin, this video is part of our Complete Solution Architecture Master Series. We've already covered topics like shopping app architecture, API gateway, and many more real-world architecture concepts. If you are new to the series, I strongly recommend watching the playlist from the beginning. Every lesson builds on the previous one, creating a structured roadmap to becoming a confident software engineer or solution architect. Imagine a company asks 10 development teams to build a new shopping app. One team is building the mobile app, another the website, another the payment service, and another the order service. If everyone starts coding immediately, what happens? Each team makes different assumptions about the APIs, leading to confusion, delays, and integration issues. Modern architects solve this by designing the API first, before writing a single line of code. This approach is called API-first architecture. In many projects, developers build the backend first and expose APIs later. As front-end and mobile teams begin integration, they request changes. The backend is modified repeatedly, documentation becomes outdated, and testing becomes difficult. This slows down the entire project. API-first architecture reverses the process. Instead of writing code first, architects design the API contract. Once the contract is approved, front-end, back-end, mobile, and testing teams can work in parallel. Everyone knows exactly what data to send, receive, and expect. We always should design before development. An API contract is simply an agreement between systems. It defines the endpoint, request format, response format, error codes, and data types. Just like a legal contract sets expectations between two parties, an API contract ensures every development team builds against the same specification. Let's use our shopping app. Before the order service is developed, architects define the post-orders API. The mobile app team can already build the checkout screen, testers can prepare test cases, and backend developers know exactly what to implement. Everyone works simultaneously because the API contract already exists. Most companies document APIs using the OpenAPI specification, commonly known through Swagger. It automatically generates interactive documentation where developers can explore endpoints, understand requests and responses, and even test APIs directly from the browser. This improves collaboration across teams. API-first architecture allows teams to work independently, reduces misunderstandings, improves documentation, simplifies testing, and enables faster development. It also encourages reusable APIs that can be shared across web applications, mobile apps, and partner integrations. API first requires careful planning before development begins. Architects must think about naming conventions, versioning, security, error handling, and future compatibility. Although this takes extra effort initially, it saves much more time during development and maintenance. API first is especially valuable when multiple teams or applications need to communicate. For a small personal project, it may be unnecessary. But for enterprise systems with web apps, mobile apps, external partners, and microservices, API-first architecture provides consistency and scalability. Let's recap. API-first architecture means designing the API before writing code. By creating a clear contract, architects enable multiple teams to work in parallel, reduce integration issues, and build scalable, maintainable systems. Great architects don't start by coding, they start by defining how systems communicate. In our next video, we'll explore logging, monitoring, and alerting, where you'll learn how architects keep enterprise applications healthy in production. Whether your goal is to become a solution architect, cloud architect, AI architect, or simply a better software engineer, the Tech Mechanic is your learning destination. Like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay ahead in your tech journey.